On December 17, 1903, Wilbur and Orville Wright made the first successful powered, sustained, and controlled airplane flight near Kitty Hawk, North Carolina. Their Wright Flyer traveled 120 feet in just 12 seconds, marking a pivotal moment in aviation history. This breakthrough paved the way for the rapid development of airplanes, revolutionizing transportation and warfare. Within just a few decades, aircraft became larger, faster, and capable of longer flights. The Wright brothers' invention fundamentally changed how people and goods could move around the world, connecting distant places like never before. Their achievement demonstrated the power of human innovation and ingenuity, inspiring generations to pursue new frontiers in science and technology.